If you're a fan of car racing, it's a fact that the list with the best supercars of all time will always cause controversy. Especially since we couldn't count on both hands the sport cars that have set history. However, there are still some that can surprise us, not only with their power and speed, but also with their price. If you don't believe us, we invite you to see this top list of 5 supercars you won't believe exist. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button to get notified every day for more amazing content. With this being said, let's begin. 5. Arash AF10. This car is one of the many vehicles that made its appearance in Geneva 2016, and although its name seems to be new, the surprising thing about this car is that it has more than a decade under development. You don't believe us? Then you'll be pleased to know that this vehicle's brand was renewed 8 years after its first release, which was under the name AF10. The brand Arash Motor Company was responsible for updating the model with a car that promises a hybrid propulsion system. Valued at $1.5 million, the Arash AF10 is desired by more than one fan. 4. Lamborghini Centenario 2016. Formerly introduced at the Geneva Motor Show, this supercar attracted the attention of millions of spectators. With a price of almost $2 million, this car is recognized for its powerful development that pays tribute to the 100th anniversary of the birth of its founder, Ferruccio Lamborghini. This car reaches a maximum speed of 217 km per hour with the high power levels, breaking the record of other Lamborghinis. If you're one of those interested in getting it, you should know they only manufactured 20 convertible units. 3. Ferrari LaFerrari. Considered one of the most popular car brands in F1 competitions, LaFerrari is a limited edition hybrid supercar of the Italian manufacturer Maranello Ferrari. Being the most ambitious project of its creator, this car perfectly combines avant-garde aesthetics and aerodynamic functionality. Only 499 units of this model were manufactured, with an initial price of $2 million. How do you think this number will go? We're sure the lucky ones will make an excellent investment with this car. 2. Koenigsegg Agera 1. Being number 1 of its power of 1360 horsepower, this car is recognized in the market as a mega car. Each of them has to move a kilo of weight, which is something that no other production car has achieved to date. It can reach a speed of up to 400 km per hour in just 20 seconds. That's right. Can you believe it? This supercar has definitely become one of the fastest in the world. But if you thought no car can exceed it in power, you should see the one we saved for last. 1. Bugatti Veyron. Starting with an engine of 16 cylinders, 8.0 liters, and more than 1,000 horsepower, the creator of this car, of French origin, achieved what no other series production car had achieved. Do you want it? Well, the Bugatti Veyron obtained the Guinness record as the fastest car on the planet by registering a range of almost 430 km per hour. How about that? If you want to drive a car like this, you better have a healthy heart. The basic edition of this supercar was manufactured in 2011, followed by the Grand Sport and Super Sport editions, which were already in process.